Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Today I'm going to take you shopping into the local shopping centre and show you Poundstretcher. Just around the corner is Poundland and just across the road from me is Wilko. So I'm going to pause the video because people are giving me funny looks now because I'm talking to myself in the middle of the street. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll see you on the inside. So this is my my town shopping centre. It's not very big. It's got the usual kind of shops you would expect. It's actually having a lot of refurbishment at the moment, so if you hear a lot of banging, they're making a cinema and hotel, restaurants and lots and lots of things. So we're heading all the way down the bottom there to Poundstretcher. So I'll pause the video for a moment. So here we are, and quite often in this particular branch they have a lot of nice yarns, so I'm hoping that they will today. Got the obligatory kind of white and lots and lots of different blues. It's not so much today, actually. They do have my favourite yarn, if I can zoom in a bit here. This. I love this stuff. They've changed the colours slightly. The one I liked more, I liked this orange one, but they used to have a red one, red and blue, which I absolutely love. But sometimes in this store, one thing is you'll find that they'll just have one or two of each, and you have to sort through these. Don't know why my camera wants to keep moving, but they sort through, probably got it on track mode. You have to sort through until you find something that you really like. But they have chunky. This is what I'm trying to explain to you before about Aaron. We get it in this colour. We get it in grey. And we get it in burgundy, but we very rarely get decent colours. So I'm going to pop over to Poundland soon because I'm hoping that they have the Aaron that I liked. They've got some of the glitz yarns in here, but they're not as soft as the Poundland, I've noticed. Not that impressive today, unfortunately. They don't have many of the colours. This one looks interesting. Colour blend. Different browns. There's a couple of those. Might grab them. But as you can see, you don't really get a lot to choose from. And if I come back here, you'll see this is as big as our aisle is in this particular store. And many of them. I've got some of this at home. Don't really need any more though. Got a selection of blues. I wouldn't say that there's many that are catching my eye. Some ombre yarn. Just one ball though. So they do double packs as well, which are great savings. If you wanted this sparkly yarn, you'd get 200 gram balls for just £2.99, which is a pretty good bargain. And it's not rough. It's nice and soft. What's this? See, sometimes as well, this is only 69p, which is a really good price, and it is actually nice and soft. Get another ball. That one's got some specks on it. So yeah, they do have this value range, and it's lovely and soft. Nothing at all wrong with that, but they don't often say what it is, which, but looking at that, I would say it's a very thick DK weight. They do it in the grey, the charcoal, and this colour, kind of a minky colour, and this colour. Oh. That might actually do one of my projects, so grab one of those. So that's Poundstretcher. Not a lot in there really, but we'll see you in Poundland for the next video. Thank you for joining me. Bye for now.